Okay, he swallowed it. Go. What is up, YouTube viewers? Today we are here in Ohio at opening. These are the sidekick YouTube viewers or YouTubers.
There's our #1 subscriber.
Hello. I have bug spray.
Foot wet.
Oh my bag.
Elijah! Baby boy.
Watch out, it's the wild lamb.
You really think you're gonna catch that big thing?
Yeah, it's like that thick. Right there. You can see the thick.
Oh my gosh, it's a big one.
That's what she said.
Are you sure it's a water?
Where's the head at?
Yeah, it's a snake in the water. It's a water
I know
snake.
it's a snake in the water, but I'm trying to look to see if it's got some slanted eyes. That coming out of the water right there?
Dad.
Oh, diver.
I just hit it.
Walking up the dock that's out here at Oak Openings in Ohio. I love all the trees and the wildlife here in this park. Talk about a almost natural, beautiful park. There's crappie, there's bass, bluegill, catfish, carp, you name it, all in this pond, lake, whichever you want to call it. There goes the hubby. That's my nephew Elijah over there on the bridge. My niece Allie. My other nephew Aiden. Both of my brother-in-laws. One in the blue shirt is Chuck or Chuckles. And then the one in the green shirt is Ethan. The guy all the way over there in the white shirt is my father-in-law. Look at that awesome playground over there. It's got like a little tree house thing. It's got like squirrels and raccoons, whatnot, made into it. Let's go check it out. Walking up the steps to the playground. We're not gonna go on it just yet. We have a couple more trails and stuff that we want to go on. But
Wait, Mommy.
God, I would love to have something like this in Florida, close by. There you go, Fisher. Allie's turn.
I'm going on that big slide. Yo, seriously.
Gonna go over here this way so you can get a kind of like an overlook view of this beautiful area. Just listening to the trees with the wind blowing through them, the smell of this fresh air of nature, absolutely breathtaking. Fisher caught a crayfish, but it's freshly dead. Yeah, I'll give it to Chris for bait. We're here at the oak opening still, and Fisher went and found a crayfish in the rocks. Not alive, but it's a start. And then you got my hubby over here, a diver, and they're trying to catch some bullfrogs on the fishing pole. Got a bullfrog over here. I'm gonna zoom into it.
So we can get this bullfrog.
See the bullfrog's eyes right there? Going across the bridge. It's got a little waterfall to it. Doesn't that just sound so nice, so relaxing? Continue this way to where the boys are at. Right where this log at is in the water, you'll see a whole bunch of bubbles. There's a big carp, probably about 1.5 feet, close to 2 feet big. That's just stirring up the dirt over here. I'm trying to see if I can get a video of it in the sunlight. There's a thing of bluegills that are over there. And Diver's here right now, and he's going to try to get this bullfrog that you can see right here.
I don't think that's good.
Oh!
He went after it. Oh,
Put it back, Diver.
Let him eat it. Oh,
Diver, try to keep it there.
I'm trying to get this bullfrog. I want to get it. Oh. He almost got it. He got it. Ready?
He got it.
Ready?
Wait, just let him eat it. Move it a little bit, Diver. Bounce it a little bit so he thinks it's alive still. See? Okay. Fisher, come back up here. Pull it. Oh, he let it go. Going for it. The bullfrog's going for it.
So funny.
The bullfrog's going for it. Fisher, quiet down, please. Get it. Oh, the bullfrog's trying to get it. The bullfrog's got it. Let him eat it. Bounce it a little bit, Diver. He's got it. He's eating it.
Sit.
Not yet. Yeah.
Ready?
The whole thing's in its mouth.
Sit.
Okay, he swallowed it. Go.
Oh, got it.
He got the frog. Ow! Ow! What? Ew, it's big. Let's see.
Pet it.
Way to go, Diver. Seen Diver catch this bullfrog. He's now going to release it. Hold on a second. There he goes. Now Fisher's getting ready to get a bullfrog. Oh wait, put it back. Oh, put it back down. Put it back down.
Oh, there's one right there.
Okay, there's a little bullfrog that Fisher's getting ready to get. It's got the lure in its mouth. Not yet, Fisher.
You have to let him eat. You can't pull it too hard.
Oh, he's hungry. He's got it again.
Don't pull.
Oh, wait, Fisher, put it back down. So the little guy doesn't seem too interested anymore, so there's a bigger one out there that we're gonna try for. Ooh. Oh, he went for it. He got it. He's. Let him eat it. Let him eat it.
There you go. Cool.
Oh, wait. Okay, we had to readjust the hook a little bit, but there's a bullfrog out there who is hungry. Okay, we got it back in front of the bullfrog again. We're trying to go slow. He got it.
Got it?
Set it, hurry up. Fisher got it, Fisher got it. Fisher got it, reel it, Fisher, reel it. Hurry up, he's gonna lose it. Oh, that's a big bullfrog.
Here we go.
Get your trophy.
Pinata.
Nice, grab your legs.
Grab his leg.
Grab his legs. Gotcha.
Got it?
That bullfroggy.
My pet bullfroggy.
That's a beast, isn't it?
That one has cool patterns. Wait.
Wow, that's a big one. He's got some good legs for eating, huh, Fisher?
How to eat it.
Ow.
I think he has baby. Look at his chin. The chin is real size.
Oh, he's bleeding.
Oh, yeah, from his mouth where he got hooked.
Duh.
I think
Got a jet flying above us, but right now we're gonna go off a beaten path here into the woods. You see some huge trees. Fisher's upset because his bullfrog got away from him. He wasn't able to do the proper release. It jumped right out of his hands and dove back in the water. But yeah, we're gonna go off this path, see some big trees, and then we're gonna hit up that playground to tire the kids out before heading home.
Go look up the road and Mommy's probably out there. Stay back, Fisher.